Welcome to our PBC exam practice question number 7. Today we'll discuss about a case scenario based on point of care testing. A 60-year-old male patient visit your pharmacy for a point of care HbA1c test. He is overweight, has a history of hypertension and is not currently diagnosed with diabetes. The HbA1c result from the POCT device reads 6.8%. He is concerned about the result and asks for advice on the next steps. Here is our question number 1. What does the patient's HbA1c results indicate? Option A, normal glycemic control. Option B, prediabetes. Option C, type 2 diabetes mellitus. Option D, gestational diabetes. Let's think about our answer. Here the correct answer is option C, type 2 diabetes mellitus. Let's discuss more in detail. And HbA1c results between 6 to 6.4% indicate prediabetes, while the result greater than or equal to 6.5% confirms diabetes. According to patient POCT device result, HbA1c is 6.8%. This suggests that patient is diabetic. Now, let's go through our follow-up question number 1. Which of the following factor could affect the accuracy of point-of-care HbA1c test? Option A, patient hemoglobin variant, example sickle cell anemia. Option B, recent blood transfusion. Option C, device calibration and maintenance. Option D, all of the above. Let's think about our answer. Here, the correct answer is option D. The accuracy of HbA1c POCT can be influenced by factors like hemoglobin variants, recent blood transfusion, and the device calibration and maintenance. Now, let's go through our question number 2. What is the most appropriate next step for this patient? Option A, diagnose diabetes based on point of care test result. Option B, recommend lifestyle modification and schedule the follow-up POCT in 3 months. Option C, refer the patient to their primary care physician for further evaluation and confirmatory lab testing. Option D, initiate metformin therapy immediately. Let's think about our answer. Here, the correct answer is option C. Point of care testing results are screening tools and require confirmatory lab testing before a formal diagnosis. Referral to a physician ensures appropriate follow-up care. Now, let's go through our follow-up question number 2. What are the key advantages of POCT, that is point of care testing, for HbA1c in a community pharmacy setting? Option A, immediate results and convenience for patient. Option B, diagnostic accuracy equivalent to laboratory testing. Option C, replacement of confirmatory testing. Option D, elimination of the need for physician follow-up. Let's think about our answer. Here, the correct answer is option A. Point of care testing, that is POCT, offers immediate results and convenience, but it serves as a screening tool and does not replace confirmatory lab testing or physician evaluation. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for further updates. See you then. Bye.